If your outlet wires are corroded or damaged from moisture, fixing it fast is a must to keep your home safe and avoid bigger electrical headaches. So, first off, always turn off the power at the breaker before messing with any wiring. Like seriously, safety first. Next, check the outlet carefully for signs of corrosion or damage. If the wires look greenish or rusty, that's a bad sign. You'll want to remove the old outlet by unscrewing it and gently pulling it out to inspect the wires behind it. If you see corrosion on the wires, grab some wire cutters and trim off the damaged parts until you're back to clean copper. Then, strip about ½ an inch of insulation off the ends of those wires so they can make a good connection with the new outlet. When you connect the wires to the new outlet, make sure the black hot wire goes to the brass screw, the white neutral wire goes to the silver screw, and the green or bare ground wire attaches to the green screw. After everything is tightly connected and the outlet is secured back in place, turn the power back on and test it with a voltage tester or just plug something in. If you're not totally confident about handling electrical stuff, it's always cool to call a pro electrician to keep things safe. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet wiring corrosion is ignoring early signs like flickering lights or outlets that feel warm. Those are red flags you shouldn't miss. Another common issue is using cheap or old outlets that don't handle moisture well. Upgrading to weather-resistant or tamper-resistant outlets can save you trouble down the road. Lastly, not properly drying out areas prone to moisture before replacing wiring can cause corrosion to come back, so always fix leaks or dampness first before doing electrical work. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who are pros at fixing issues like outlet wiring damage from moisture. It also hooks up contractors with steady work by connecting them with people who really need skilled help around their homes.